What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Handy Danny, and you guys know that I've really gotten into these plants, like big time. I mean, like, I have about, I want to say, Jesus Christ, 15, 20 plants now in total. I want to say about 8 or 9 different species. I have a couple of them of the same. However, I'll get into that. I'm gonna show you that in a moment here. But this ponytail palm tree, is it the most beautiful tree that you've ever seen in your life? I mean, this thing is so awesome. This thing is pretty cool. I mean, look at it. I mean, this guy is just like radiant, you know. I have a plant stand on the way and I haven't received it yet, but I can't wait to get my plant stand. I think that's when I'm really start making more videos. Are you guys interested in plants? I know there's a big community on YouTube, but when it comes to this channel, as far as Handy Danny and different things that you can do to your place to enhance it, is this something you guys want to see? But I'm not gonna make this video long. I just want to kind of check in with you guys. As you can see right here, I got 2 bird of paradise, and those bad boys are pretty nice, man. I'm getting some new foliage here. I got a leaf right here coming out, and then I have one right here that's coming too. And I mist them every day. I probably do it a little bit too much. You see, I got 2 different humidifiers going. That coconut tree right there likes a lot of humidity. And, I've been kind of apprehensive towards making a lot of videos because I'm still in the process of learning about them. I see I got 2 bird of paradise here. You see that one right there? It's starting to open up, and it's done that in the past couple hours. I mean, it's just going crazy, you know. I got a couple other, trees and different little plants and everything that I will be showing you guys. That's a golden goddess. And this right here is another palm. And then I got this one. I call this one right here, my big booty hoe, pop with it. And then right here is a Cotron, I call it Voltron. It's coming too, you know, it likes a lot of sun. It said it to change colors, so I'm looking forward to that. But that's my little big booty hoe right there, pop with it. You know, it's a cool looking little plant. I'm planning on repotting it here soon, and seeing what I can get going with it. It's kind of like the bonsai family. But to my little garden that I got popping off here, and I got a couple other plants here I want to show you, but don't really want to be making you guys that dizzy. I really want to focus on my ponytail palm. Want to show you this guy. Haven't made a video in a while. I've been looking at the different membership to where basically I can upload videos, and as you becoming a member, you know, you can get the earliest videos early. You can get behind the scenes, things of that nature. But, you know, just keep watching and leave a comment. Let me know if this is something you guys are interested in. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.